Good afternoon. I'm Michelle McKenry with 7 Day Kitchens, and we are here at Colin and Michelle's home in Charlotte, North Carolina. Today I want to discuss with you what we did when we came in to do their remodel. They had a lot of concerns with the functionality of the kitchen and the space that was in here. Previously, instead of this being all one level, it had the raised bar level to eat at, so it really chopped this area up, and they just didn't have a nice area to entertain. So they wanted to take everything out of here and have a nice large peninsula, and they moved a full range over here. It's just allowed the space to open up and be more functional. For their top here, they used MSI Primada. It's a beautiful stone that has a nice flow of beige and gold and some gray in it, and it just really ties this whole room together with the warmth and the whites that they were bringing into it. And then they went with the large 36-inch storage drawers, 3-drawer bases. So your bottom 2 drawers are deeper. It allows you to hold a lot of products inside of it. And then your top drawers will be the same depth as all your standard base cabinets, so that you have a nice symmetry as you go around the room. So as we move into this room, this used to be their dining room. And in here, she wanted to have storage. They just wanted more room to work when they were cooking and storage throughout. So we built a wall so that it no longer goes into the living room. In here, she added a wall ovens with her microwave and her oven. And then there's storage up top and their deep drawer base down below. So they can put some nice deep stuff in there too. They added a small sink in here, so they still have access to water in here, but they don't need the full-size sink as they have in their kitchen. Then they have a wine cooler here. And then around the top, they didn't want closed-in cabinets. They wanted to have their glassware easily accessible. She has some decorative bowls and pots and things that she wanted everybody to see. So instead of doing standard wall cabinets, we did a wall cabinet where we finished the interior to match the cabinet and left the front off. And then they accentuated it with these beautiful floating shelves that are the same color as their cabinets in the kitchen, and did that throughout too. They created a little station here with some coffee or just to sit and casually relax. And then we also did some additional shelving over there, just open shelving for a standard pantry. And this is what is now their scullery kitchen, and previously it was a dining room. Okay, thanks for joining me as we walk through the remodeled kitchen and scullery.